Hola, clase. So this is our new vocabulary words. These are the adjectives that we're going to be studying this week. We're going to be describing ourselves and other people. Let's take a look at these adjectives. They're either masculine or feminine. Usually if they end in an O, they're masculine. If they end in an A, they're feminine. So let me give you an example with this one right here. Funny. He is funny. Él es cómico. She is funny. Ella es cómica. So adjectives are either masculine or feminine. They also agree in number and gender. For example, those guys are funny. Ellos son cómicos. Those girls are funny. Ellas son cómicas. So let's go ahead and practice the pronunciation. These are personality adjectives, and these are adjectives to describe physical features. Okay, repeat after me. Here we go. Cómico. Desorganizada. Estudioso. Exigente. This one is a neutral adjective, both for male and female, or feminine and masculine items. Extrovertido. Generosa. Inteligente. Interesante. Modesto. Nerviosa. Organizado. Popular. Preciosa. Romántico. Simpática. Tímido. Tonta. Tranquilo. Alta. Atlético. Bajo. Bonita. Delgado. Elegante. Fea. Flaco. Fuerte. Gordo. Grande. Guapo. Mediana. Moreno. Pelirroja. Rubio. También. Al contrario. Ni, no, verdad? Okay, those are our words, and that is what we're going to be studying this week. We are going to be talking about what we like, what we're like, and what other people are like. Adios. See you in class.